Hello dear students, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all in Resultant. Those who are new in the channel, let me introduce myself quickly, then we'll be going into this live session guys. My name is Abhinav Negi, I have 13 plus years of teaching experience, done my MTech from IIT Delhi, got All India rank 164 in GATE 2012. You have to score a better rank than this. Everyone fine, super fantastic guys. Okay. Those who have not joined my Telegram group guys, you can join my Telegram group Civil by Abhinav Sir. Already guys, more than 6,000 plus students have joined for all the civil engineering content and important updates. Guys, today UPPSC has announced more than 600 plus vacancies for assistant engineer. I have already made the video, you can see later on. Guys, a new batch for GATE 2026 is starting. Per CPM, I'll be starting. It will be starting from tomorrow. That is 19th of December. Timing 5 p.m. Okay. And guys, we have a game changer series also going on where we are doing practice of those questions which are frequently asked in the GATE examination. Okay. Soam and soil is done. Now tomorrow is the turn of surveying. See you at 8 p.m. on YouTube. For GATE 2025 students, the crash course is going on. You can download the Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. You can just write Resultant Civil and have our crash course. For any important updates, guys, let me be little side. You can connect me directly you can connect me at this number and mail ID. Okay, if you are preparing for GATE 2026 and GATE 2027, then we have a complete full length course as well, where you will be getting live plus recorded classes, study notes for every subject, formula notes for every subject, PYQ for every subject, workbook for every subject, plus test series, exactly like GATE platform. So you can see that as well. Okay, you can download the play. You all are very sound in technology, yaar. You can download the app. Hi Ashish, Shiva, Arna, Negi Saab, kaise hain? Krupa, everyone, welcome Ashish. Now guys, at the end of this session, I'll be telling you, first of all, I'll be telling you that what to do about the incomplete syllabus. But before that, let me tell you the important topics and not important topics for each and every subject of civil engineering. Let me again tell you guys, in this session, I'll be telling you important topics and not important topics of each and every subject. But before that, telling you important and not important, I'll be telling you for all subjects guys like this. But before that, let me tell you how to utilize this, what you have to do from this important and not important topics. Guys, see, students who have done the complete preparation, they can now more focus on these subjects. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए that you should be forgetting the formulas from important topics. But if you have completed all syllabus na, all complete subject, then you have to do revision of important topics also, not important topics also. Because you have prepared that in the month of May, June, July, August. So that doesn't mean that if you have prepared and now I am telling that topic in an unimportant list or not important list, so you should be skipping. No. It should not be like that. All those students who have done the complete subject, they have to revise both the subjects, but yes, they can more focus, more practice of the important ones, but they have to revise both. तभी तो पूरा पढ़ा था, तभी तो फायदा होना चाहिए उसका. Those students who are preparing some of the subjects now those students can focus on important topics and skip the other topics. So that is how you have to utilize this. Have you got it? Imran, Chaitanya, have you got it? Let me summarize again. If any of these subjects you have already done complete, then you have to revise everything, important, not important, both, because you have studied that. But if you are studying now in the next 30 or 35 days, then you can skip these not important topics. So for RCC guys, beam designed by LSM, that those three steps na, calculate the neutral axis. Then second step is calculate XU limiting. Then third step is MOR, depending upon it is balanced, under-enforced or over-enforced section. That is frequently asked in the GATE exam. Then shear reinforcement at vertical stirrups or bent up bars or the inclined bars and pre-stressed concrete. Let me tell you from the complete vast syllabus of RCC, from RCC you can expect 6 to 7 marks. 6 to 7 marks you can expect from RCC. From that vast syllabus, 80% chances that the question will be coming from this parts. And if you are preparing now, then you can skip slab, torsion, column, footing, WSM. Even the staircase is not in the GATE syllabus. because very less chances, negligible chances. I'm not saying this is 80%. See, don't misunderstood this. If I'm saying that 80% questions are coming from here, that doesn't mean that 20% will be coming from here. No. Because there are some other topics also, mediocre. This is very important. This is least that you can skip if you're preparing RCC now. You can skip this. There are other topics which will be in those 20% or so. These topics, the chances are even guys less than 10%. Okay. Book is preliminary, but all those students guys, you need not to refer book now, especially in the last 60 days. This is for those who are preparing for GATE 2026 and 27. They can refer this book. Because now, if you're referring the book, if you're doing the complete book, then you will be studying only one subject till the GATE examination. Okay, next subject, steel structures. This is, guys, steel structure is like a very vast syllabus, but particularly for GATE examination, the weightage is very less. It is coming of around 3 to 4 marks, not more than 4 marks. And the syllabus is huge, much more than surveying, much more than hydrology, much more than open channel flow. But survey, hydrology, OCF, highway, having half of the steel structure syllabus, but weightage is more than steel. So for GATE examination, steel is not important. Yes, for engineering services, the steel is having a decent weightage, even a very high weightage, but not in the GATE examination. It will be coming of around 2 to 4 marks. And important topics are plastic and connection, and not important topics is this. This is a subject which I am saying that if you have a very vast amount of syllabus is still left, you can leave steel. Steel, structural analysis, fluid mechanics, you can skip. I repeat, railway airport, steel, structures, railway airport, building material, fluid mechanics, you can skip if you have a very large amount of syllabus is still left to cover. Okay. Compression member beams are not important. Book is standard book. Yeah, this is the Granth for this. This is the Bible for this. S.K. Duggal. Now fluid mechanics guys, important topics are forced on planes and curved surfaces, laminar flow, velocity profile, pipe flow, Reynolds number, Froude's model law. And not important topics are kinematics, wear notches, Hardy cross method is important for engineering services but not for GATE, and turbulent flow. These are the topics you can skip now. Okay. Modi and Seth is the book which you can refer for fluid mechanics. Now soil mechanics, which is the highest weightage among all the civil engineering subject now. This highest weightage, this will be coming around 15 to 16 marks. No other subject of civil engineering carries as much as weightage as soil mechanics. And the important topics are phase diagram. Now see, from phase diagram now, it is not like, sometimes it is not like that directly the question will be coming from phase diagram or soil properties. But every question of soil mechanics na will be using the concepts, the formulas of phase diagram. Okay. Sometimes the direct question is also asked, but otherwise, even without that, all the questions which are coming from soil mechanics na, the questions of phase diagram, void ratio, porosity, gamma sat, gamma saturated, gamma bulk, that will be used. Consolidation, seepage, the quicksand condition, effective stress, shear strength. For foundation part na, for shallow foundation particularly, there are various theories, but Terzaghi theory is the most frequently asked topic. Let me tell you, of all the foundation engineering na, Terzaghi and Skempton, second is Skempton. These theories are asked, and other theories like Meyerhoff, although the questions have been in past from Meyerhoff also, but the chances are less. Not important topics are vertical stress below soil, that Bois-Guillaume theory, Westergaard theory, Newmark's chart, okay, influence line, those are less, and compaction is also less asked. Okay, Gopal Ranjan Rao is the book for soil mechanics. Now for highway engineering, let me tell you guys, the transportation is from the last 4 to 5 years now, transportation is coming of around 9 to 10 marks. And from this 9 to 10 marks now of transportation engineering, this 9 to 10 marks now, around 8 to 9 marks will be from highway. Okay, and railway airport will be coming of either 1 or maximum 2 marks. 1 to 2 marks, railway and airport. It can be 0 as well. So important topics are side distance, SSD, OSD, ISD. Okay, super elevation is very important, even more important than side distance. Then traffic signal, there are various methods, IRC method, Webster method, trial cycle method. But only the Webster method is asked in the GATE. That capacity of highway, that Qmax is, for green shield model, it is VF into KJ by 4. For other models it is different, but mostly the questions are from green shield model only. Not important topics are highway pavement design. Guys, geometry design and traffic engineering have a significant weightage. Okay, geometry design and traffic engineering have a significant weightage, but not the pavement design. Length of vertical curve is comparative. I'm not saying it will not be asked, but comparatively it will be less chances. And setback distance questions is not asked from the last 7 to 8 years, and hopefully it will not be asked in the coming years as well. Very less chances. Guys, see, not important is something different, and which is not in the syllabus is different. So these are in the syllabus. That is why out of the syllabus only something will be important, something will be not important. So this is in the syllabus. If sometimes the questions will be asked from not important, you cannot file a case against the gate authorities. Okay. So yes, this is in the syllabus. They have every right to ask the questions, but from the previous trends, the questions are less asked from these topics. Khanna Injustu is again the Bible for highway engineering. Now going further, guys, everyone, for surveying, guys, very simple. Compass surveying, that declination and local attraction, the topic declination and local attraction. Okay, traversing means summation latitude, summation departure. For a loop traverse it will be 0, and leveling. Let me tell you, from complete surveying, 90% questions will be in any, not gate, in any company exam will be coming from this. And from all remaining topics, chain surveying, theodolite, GPS, photogrammetry, tachyometry, theory of errors, plane table surveying, 10% questions will be asked. This is true not only for gate but other exams also. Okay. So the not important topics are GPS, chain surveying, theodolite. See, chain surveying is still asked in engineering services in a mediocre range. But for gate examination, chances are less, and plane table surveying also. From plane table surveying, na, see, surveying is coming around 4 to 6 marks. Okay, from plane table surveying, only one time the question has been asked. But that question was not actually of plane table surveying. That question was actually from the scale part. Okay, yes, the plane table surveying word is used in the question, but actually it was from the survey part. Oh, so it was from the scale part. Usme aptitude lagana tha. Okay, the book is BC Punomiya for this. For engineering hydrology, guys, again very simple, like surveying. 99% questions, the questions will be asked from phi and W index, hydrograph and risk reliability. 99%. And from remaining topic, that is precipitation, rain gauge, optimum number of rain gauges, missing data, double mass curve, evaporation, factor affecting evaporation, methods to find evaporation, and evapotranspiration, Blaney-Criddle method, groundwater hydrology, runoff, calculation of reservoir volume, 1% chances in gate examination. 99% phi index, W index, hydrograph and risk reliability. Okay, the book for this is Subramaniam. Now for irrigation engineering, water requirements. This is not reinforcement. Water requirement for crops, gravity dam and delta duty relationship. That delta is equal to 8.64 into B by D. Okay, and irrigation technique, failure of hydraulic structures, siphon, aqueduct are not important. The book is S.K. Garg. Now, yes, Chaitanya, your subject, environment. After geotechnical, it is highest weightage, around 12 to 14 marks. After geotech, it is of highest weightage. Now, the topics which are important in environment are raw water treatment, characteristics of wastewater, that permissible limits and all, sewer system and filtration. Not important topics are solid waste management, air pollution. Yes, few questions have been asked from these topics, like soil waste management, landfill question is asked, but compared to this, the chances are less. Let me tell you about numericals of Chaitanya, about numericals of environment engineering. That e की power minus kt वाला formula ना of BOD, I am not remembering the exact formula. That is important. Overflow rate numerical is important. That velocity, overflow rate. Okay, that non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, total hardness, that numerical is important. Okay, numericals on ASP, activated sludge process, are important. Numericals on filtration are important. So if I talk about only numericals, then that e की power minus kt formula, overflow rate, velocity, non-carbonate hardness, carbonate hardness, total hardness, ASP and filtration are important. Yes, AQI is a concern. So air pollution may be asked, but most probably it will not be a numerical, might be a conceptual question or 1 mark question can be asked from this topic. Okay, book is SK Garg and PV Rowe. Now guys, this is important and not important topics of all subjects that I have discussed with you. Now you may be asking, sir, here structural analysis is not there. So let me tell you, structural analysis will be coming of 2 to 3 marks. Okay, and if you can skip this subject. Structural analysis, steel, building material, PERT CPM, railway airport, you can skip this because they have a huge syllabus and less weightage. Railway airport has less syllabus but very less weightage, but you can skip these subjects. Now even if you want to study something now, you can go for determinacy, indeterminacy, that thing, and ILD. Okay, you can study only these topics if time you are having. For SOM guys, I have not written anything because I don't think in SOM there is anything important and not important. In last 2-3 years I said column is not important, or but the questions have been asked. First, the SOM is the subject and PERT CPM is a subject in which we cannot define any topic as important and not important. There is nothing. Similarly in the case of OCF also. Similarly in the case of building material also. Okay, in these subjects, OCF, building material, SOM and PERT CPM, I am not writing anything important and not important because each and every topic is equally important there. Okay. See, aptitude is nothing important, nothing is not important. Okay, anything can be asked. But for mathematics, okay, for mathematics also I am saying, for mathematics, if I tell you important thing is probability. Okay, metrics, and particularly in metrics na, the questions based on the eigenvalues and its property. Okay, then if I tell you apart from this, complex is not in the syllabus now. Okay, numerical methods, RK method and Newton-Raphson method, that can be asked. Okay, and differential equation. Okay, so almost everything I have written here for mathematics, but yes, vector you can skip, complex you don't have to study now. Okay, so double differentiation, double integration also you can skip now. So these are the important and not important topics for these subjects. Now guys, now one more thing, now you have to study within the boundary of the syllabus. Sometimes I have seen, particularly with those students who are not taking coaching, they sometimes study from books, they sometimes study from some random notes, and they are not in the boundary of the syllabus. Therefore, for every subject I have written what is in the GATE and ESE, what is in GATE and ESE, and what is in only in ESE. There is nothing topic in OCA which is only in GATE. So these topics are in GATE and ESE both, and this is only in ESE. Similarly, strength of material guys, these topics are in GATE and ESE both, and theory of failures was earlier, before 2021 na. Theory of failure was in GATE also, but after 2021 IIT Bombay has some amendments in the syllabus, and theory of failure is now only in ESE. Building material, this is the things that is in GATE and ESE both, and these are the things which is only in ESE. Guys, let me tell you, this whole research na I have done for more than 2 days, not now, some months before. Then I have made this. You cannot find this data in any internet, in any website, in any other YouTube channel. Okay, guys, please subscribe our channel Resultant. Guys, we are coming with the marathons also in the month of January. Similarly, for CPM, PERT, CPM, crashing, cost estimation, fundamentals of network, project management is both in GATE and ESE. But Aeon diagram, economy, machine equipment, resource allocation is only in ESE. Similarly, guys, this is for irrigation. The topics which are in GATE and ESE both, river logging, river engineering, diversion headworks only in ESE. Fluid mechanics, this is the thing. Okay, this you can later on take the screenshots as well. Highway engineering, geometry design, traffic engineering, highway materials, pavement design. But history development, that Roman roads and all, this is only in ESE. Concrete guys, these topics are in GATE and ESE, but foundation, retaining walls, water tanks, staircase, earthquake and masonry structures are only in ESE, nothing in GATE. Engineering mechanics, this is the syllabus. Environment, noise pollution, ecology, noise is coming in GATE also now. But ecology and plumbing system is only in ESE. Structural analysis, approximate method, indeterminate method, analysis of 2 hinges, arches and suspension bridges is only in ESE. Steel guys, this is the syllabus. Railway guys, sleeper, fastener, point and crossing, track junction, yard, signaling, traction, tunneling, You don't have to study for GATE. These are only in ESC. For GATE, geometry design, airport planning and designing, if I consider airport as well. Soil mechanics is the thing where something is there which is only in GATE, not in ESC. That is lateral capacity of pile. Our vision students, I have taught this topic. This is only in GATE, okay, which is not in ESC. And origin of soil was in GATE, but before 2021. After 2021, origin of soil, that how soil is formed, physical weathering, chemical weathering is now eliminated. Geotextile is only in ESC, retaining wall is only in ESC. Boisinghu and other equations are in GATE for vertical stress below soil, but Westergaard is now eliminated from the GATE syllabus. Now guys, that I told earlier, what to do, you guys, if you have less than 20% syllabus covered now, guys, see, your target is now 24 or 25. Okay, but less than 20% syllabus, that means you will not be exam ready up to February. You can focus on other exams which will be in the month of April, May, June or GATE 2025. 20 to 40% guys, go for a decent rank. At least try to get 65% syllabus cover, 70% syllabus cover. From that 70, try to get 55 marks and get a decent marks. You can skip some subjects also that I have discussed. 40 to 70% guys, you are, that range is by most of the students. Most of the students will be in this range. Now in this range, I already told you one option will be complete 100% syllabus, but of course that 100% syllabus will not be in depth, because in next 40 or next 60 days you will not be able to cover 40% of the syllabus. So if you are going for 100% syllabus, you will not be going in depth, you will not be doing revision properly, you will not be giving full length test series, you will not be managing your time, you will be ending up by only scoring 55. So better if you are in this range, because this is the range where maximum students are lying, and some of these students will be the top rankers as well. So better guys, consolidate means revise the things that you have studied. Study only those uncovered syllabus which is very important. Like from this session you can see what are the important things. Go for 85% coverage of syllabus and try to get 70 marks from this. So this is the right way and this is the wrong way. Who are in the 70 to 100% syllabus, they can complete the syllabus guys. If 10%, 15% is remaining, and do proper revision and test series, nothing other for them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session guys. Thank you all. You can download the app from the Play Store, Resultant Civil. You can download Resultant Civil app from the Play Store. Okay, on the Play Store you can write Resultant Civil, download the app and get this. Okay, any doubt if you are having, please let me know. You can write me on the comment section guys. If you want to connect me, you want to take our courses, we have the crash course for 2025 students. For 25 students we are having the crash course. Okay, for 26 students we have the complete course where the complete content, test series, full length test, subject test, everything will be there. Okay, if you want to connect me, these are my numbers where you can connect me guys. Thank you everyone. Wish you all the best. See you tomorrow at 8 PM with surveying. Thank you all.